When switching between browsers, you might notice something important right away. Some browsers don't always list Tor Browser as an option when importing bookmarks or browsing data. Because of this, exporting and importing data works a little differently in Tor Browser compared to other browsers. In this video, I'll show you how to export bookmarks from Tor Browser and use them in other browsers, or as a way to back up your bookmarks or to import it into Tor Browser on another computer. Let's get started. First, open Tor Browser on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner of the window. From the menu, go to Bookmarks. Next, select Manage Bookmarks. This will open the Bookmark Library window. At the top of this window, click Import and Backup. From the drop-down menu, choose Export Bookmarks to HTML. You'll now be asked where you want to save the file. Choose a location on your computer and confirm the export. Tor Browser will create an HTML file containing all your bookmarks. Once exported, you can use this file to import your bookmarks into almost any browser. For example, in most browsers, you can go to their bookmarks or import settings and select the option to import from an HTML file. Simply select the file you exported from Tor Browser and your bookmarks will be restored instantly. And one more thing, if the bookmarks are still not visible within the toolbar, look around the folders to find where your browser imported your bookmarks. For me, it is within the Bookmarks menu and then Bookmarks toolbar. From there, simply select all the bookmarks you need and drag and drop them within the Bookmarks toolbar main folder. You can do it like this. This method is also useful for backups since you can keep the HTML file saved safely and re-import it anytime. And that's it. You've successfully exported your bookmarks from Tor Browser using the built-in backup tool. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more privacy tutorials, browser guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.